Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. AWT provides many ready-made and reusable GUI components in the package java.awt. The frequently used components are labels, buttons, checkbox, checkbox group, scroll bars, text field and text area. In this video, we will learn about those components. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. A java.awt.label provides a text string description. You could use a label component such as text field to provide a text description. Syntax for creating a label is label constructors are indicates that the label should be left justified, indicates that the label should be centered, indicates that the label should be right justified. These are the methods of label component. The getText and setText methods can be used to read and modify the label's text. Similarly, getAlignment and setAlignment methods can be used to retrieve and modify the alignment of text. The most widely used control is button. The java.awt.button is a GUI component that triggers a certain programmed action upon clicking. This is the syntax for creating a button. The button class has two constructors. The first constructor creates a button object with the given label painted over the button. The second constructor creates a button object with no label. These are the methods of button component. Checkbox control is used to turn an option on or off. There is a label for each checkbox representing what the checkbox does. This is the syntax for creating a checkbox. Constructors of checkbox component are these are the methods of checkbox component. This class is used to make group of checkboxes. Syntax for creating a checkbox group is this is the constructor of checkbox group. These are the methods of checkbox group component. Scrollbar control represents a scrollbar component in order to enable user to select from range of values. This is the syntax for creating a scrollbar. These are the fields for java.awt.image class. A constant that indicates a horizontal scrollbar, a constant that indicates a vertical scrollbar. These are the constructors of scrollbar component. These are the methods of scrollbar component. Java.awt.textField is a single-line text box for users to enter texts. This is the syntax for creating text fields. These are the constructors of text field component. These are the methods of text field component. Text field is a single line text box for users to enter texts, and multi-line text box is called text area. These are the fields for java.awt.textArea class. Create and display both vertical and horizontal scroll bars. Create and display horizontal scroll bar only. Do not create or display any scroll bars for the text area. Create and display vertical scroll bar only. These are the constructors of text area component. These are the methods of text area component. Let's take an example which includes all of these components. In this example, we have created a class that extends all other classes of AWT package which are required to perform operations on components. Here, we have created a frame, label, text field, checkbox and button. After that, we have set their positions on frame using setBounds method, and we have added all those components on frame using add method. We have also set the size and visibility of frame. If you like this video, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to like.